next.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I believe you're Mr. Valencia, right?
Yes, sir.
Have a seat.
Mr.
Mr. Valencia, are you ready for my questions?
Yes, sir.
So, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
So, first of all, Mr. Valencia, please tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. I'm Cardinal Valencia Jr. and I'm thrilled to be interviewing for this position. I graduated from Harvard University with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Architecture, and I've been always passionate in making interior and exterior design of a house or building. I've always been passionate in making interior and exterior design of a house or building. I'm a quick learner, highly adaptable, and possess a strong work ethic. I am confident in my ability to quickly integrate into a team and contribute meaningfully to your projects, eager to learn from experienced professional and further develop my skills in a real-world setting. I'm confident that my skills and experience make me an ideal candidate for this position.
Okay, so you're interested, huh? Okay, so Mr. Valencia, my next question is, what do you know about this company?
I understand Vision Art is known for its collaborative and creative work environment, and I'm excited by the opportunity to learn from experienced professionals in a firm with a such strong reputation. From my research, I understand you prioritize client collaboration, innovative design solutions, and sustainable design. This aligns perfectly with my own approach to design, where I strive to create spaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional, while also considering their environment impact. I'm confident I can contribute to your team's continued success in creating beautiful and functional spaces.
Go.
So, Mr. Valencia, the next question is, why should I hire you?
While I'm a recent graduate, my enthusiasm for design and eagerness to learn are unmatched. My academic work provided a solid foundation in design principles, building codes, and CAD software, and I'm quickly studying readily in absorbing new information and techniques. I'm confident I can quickly become a valuable contributor to your team, contributing fresh perspective and a willingness to take any challenges. My passion for both interior and exterior design, combined with my eagerness to learn from experienced professionals, makes me a strong candidate for this position.
So, next question, Mr. Valencia. As you know, our job requires a lot of focus, and you will face some problems or any obstacles. So, Mr. Valencia, how do you manage stressful situations?
As a fresh graduate, I approach stressful situations by staying oriented and focused on finding solutions. During my studies, I learned to manage tight deadlines and multiple projects by breaking tasks into smaller steps and prioritizing effectively. I also make it a point to remain calm and seek guidance when needed, as I believe teamwork and clear communication are essential to overcoming challenges. These habits help me stay productive and ensure the quality of my work, and I'm confident I can apply them to my professional role to prevent stress from affecting my performance.
Okay. So, I believe you answered all of my questions, Mr. Valencia. So, do you have your number and your resume?
Yes, sir.
So, for the meantime, just wait for my call or text message to your number. So, I will call you back if I have any additional questions or I have news for you. So, that's all, Mr. Valencia. Thank you so much.
Go.
Next,
Good morning, sir.
Mr. Diquilla, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it Diquilla or Diquilla?
Vicky, yes, sir.
Kasi, my first question, Mr. Diquilla, is how did you hear about this job?
So, to be honest, sir, I'm aiming at this job for a very long time. When I hear at your social media accounts, specifically on Facebook, that there's a job opening on this position, I immediately pass my resume to this company.
My second question, Mr. Diquilla, is what do you know about this company?
So, Morse Corporation was founded on October 2014. Morse Corp is a company that is an employee-owned company that provides customer-focused algorithms and software development services.
Mr. Dikilia, tell me about yourself.
Go.
First of all, sir, I am very thankful for this opportunity. I am Jan Dikilia and I am 19 years old from Taguig City. I graduated from Technological University of the Philippines, Taguig City campus. I am a passionate person and really dedicate myself to a job that I am aiming for. I have a high ceiling for growth and I can make a difference on your company.
Mr. Dikilia, my next question is, describe yourself in 3 words.
I am dedicated, trustworthy, and adaptable. I am extremely passionate person when it comes to job. I am also the type of person you can trust. I am very loyal and can get things done fast. Even in different situations and high workload, I can adapt and still focus on my job.
Mr. Dikilia, you know our company is upgrading when it comes to software engineering. My question is, why should I hire you?
Sir, Morse Corporation should hire me because I have the knowledge and skills that can contribute significantly on this company. I believe that Morse Corporation can maximize the full potential that I have that can lead to future company success.
Next question, Mr. Dikilia. What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength, sir, is my ability to adapt quickly to new situations and challenges. I'm always eager to learn and take new responsibilities, which allows me to stay flexible and dynamic in work environments. I'm also a strong problem solver and enjoy finding creative solutions to challenges, which helps me stay focused and productive under pressure.
Then, what is your biggest weakness?
One area I've been working on is my tendency to take on too much responsibility. One area I've been working on is my tendency to take on too much responsibility in team projects. I care deeply about the success of the work, and sometimes I can overextend myself to ensure everything goes smoothly. However, sir, I've been actively working on improving my delegation skills and ensuring I communicate effectively with my team to balance workloads more efficiently.
Mr. Dikilia, you know this job is stressful, right? My question is, how do you manage stressful situations?
Sir, working under stress is not a new thing for me. I manage it by focusing my attention on one thing at a time. This trick works on you really well because dividing your attention on a different task will get your mind confused what to do first. By focusing my mind on one thing at a time, I can cope up with the workloads and can get things done.
2, 3, go.
Last question, Mr. Dikilia. This job requires a lot of time. Are you open to work night shift or overtime?
Yes, sir, I'm willing to do that. I am very open to anything to get this job position, sir.
3, go.
That's all, Mr. Dikilia. I think we're done. You answered all of my questions. All you need to do is just wait for my update. We will call you or message you on your phone.
Thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity.
You're welcome.